Hello guys, welcome to 5 Minute Solutions, and in this video we'll show you how to turn off media autoplay on Reddit. So let's get started. First open Reddit on your web browser. After that, click the top right button and go to user settings. After that, go to the settings named feed settings, because you'll be placed in the account settings, but you can't turn off media autoplay from account settings, so you need to go to the feed settings. After clicking feed settings, you'll see many options popping up here. From here, you'll see an option named autoplay media. Play videos and GIFs automatically when in the viewport. You just have to turn off the switch and you'll see changes saved. So after the changes is saved, from now on your media autoplay will be automatically turned off on Reddit. So that's how you can turn off media autoplay on Reddit. Hope this video helped you guys. If this video was helpful, then feel free to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And please view our other videos if you need any more help. Have a nice day and peace.